Hello everybody, this is Charlie from cashbaby.uk, and in today's video I'm going to let you know about how you can make money online. So there are several ways, but I'm just going to show you personally what I have chosen. So there are a lot of scams out there. You do need to be careful, you need to do your homework, you need to do your due diligence. So obviously do as much research on a company as you can before parting with any money. So yeah, let's get started then. So I have been wanting to work online for a number of years now, and I started with network marketing. You may have heard of sort of Avon and Summers, and so yeah, I didn't really like that. I was in the weight loss industry, so although I loved the products, it was just all the communicating and the recruiting and the training and anyway, it wasn't for me. I'm not going to bore you with all the details, but for some people are doing so well with it. And yeah, you know, you create a team, and then they create a team, and it all all the money comes back to you as well. So it is a really good way to earn some extra cash. So, but you've got to do a lot of work, and you've got to do you know, if you lose your team, then you know your money falls dramatically. So then I tried drop shipping, which is, if you go to AliExpress, you can get products for wholesale price and sell them at a retail price. But again, it's a lot of work, a lot of inventory. You've got to take care of your customer service. You've got to do a lot of upselling as well. And basically, I mean, I did it in the jewellery section, because you've got to do it with in a niche that you've got to do it in a niche that's something that you're interested in. So I did it in jewellery, but obviously there's so much competition out there, and even on the high street, you know, people just want it there and then. And with drop shipping, it can come from other countries. So yeah, so you don't actually hold the inventory in your house. You get it drop shipped from the factory, and they'll send it to your customer for you. Okay, so you've got to either have a website or some kind of landing page, and yeah, so I realised quite early on I've got to sell sort of hundreds and hundreds of products a month to make any kind of decent money. It certainly wasn't going to make me a millionaire. Okay, so then I started looking at affiliate marketing. So this is where you sell other companies' products or services, and then you just have to share your link with people, and any sales from that link will get tracked to you, and you'll get a commission. Okay, so I was looking into different companies. If you go onto CLICKBANK, you can search for different products and services that you may be interested in. But again, I soon came to realise that, again, I've got to sell hundreds of products. I've got to sell quite a bit each month to make any kind of real money. Again, some people are smashing it. They are doing successful Facebook ads. So this could be a line, you know, an avenue that you could explore and go down. So, but then I stumbled across a company called Builderall, and it just completely made sense to me. It just completely clicked. It's everything I love doing, and it's 100% online. There's no products involved, and the commission structure is just amazing. I'll just go into that with you in a moment, but yeah, in a nutshell, Builderall is a all-in-one digital platform. It's an online marketing platform where you could build your own websites, you can build your own apps, you can build your own email autoresponders. Oh, there's dozens and dozens of tools in there. So it's everything a business needs to be successful online. And then the beauty of it is that we can use those tools to promote Builderall themselves. So it's just genius, really, because you've got all these tools, and then you can use them to grow your customer base as well and get leads. Now, the starting price for just a basic package is about $10 a month, which is about £7. So that's just for your online presence, a bit of a website. But then we go up to the sales funnel package. So if you've heard of ClickFunnels, we do all the templates there, and that is just $30 a month. So it's a bargain price. So obviously lots of businesses are really interested. So because if you have products, you might need a sales funnel, a lead generation page, etc. So that's what we do. Now, if you want to become an affiliate, it's just an extra $20 on top. So it's $49 a month. But if you sell, this is where it gets really exciting. So if you sell an affiliate package, which is like $50, then you will get 100% commission for your first month. Now, what I love about Builderall is it's on a subscription basis. So businesses and entrepreneurs will pay this each month, and you will get a commission each month on a rolling basis for the lifetime of their account. So obviously the more accounts you sell, the more residual income is going to be coming in. So you get 100% commission for the first month, which is like up to $50. And then you get 30% each month after that. But that's not all. You also get 30% of your affiliates activity as well. So it's a 2-tier commission structure. So it's just blown my mind. We've got a business calculator on the website as well. So that's what sold it to me. Obviously, like I said, I did all my due diligence. I made sure they were a real company, etc. So and then I did the business calculator, and it's just super exciting. So that in a nutshell is what we do. I'm going to put my affiliate link in the comments below or above, whichever platform you're looking at this on, and yeah, just check it out for yourselves, because like I say, it's a 2-tier affiliate structure, and you get 100% commission for each first sale. So I don't know any other affiliate packages that are this generous. So that's it, guys. What I'm going to do, like I say, is put my affiliate links somewhere on this page so you can go and have a look. I have been doing it just for a few months now, and it is amazing. I am doing so well, and I just wanted to share it with you, because obviously there's some people out there who want to work online. There's millions of you searching for it each month. So I just wanted to let you know I have found something that's really legitimate, that's genuine, and is generous, and is making people thousands and thousands of dollars a month in commission. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. And yeah, so it may not be for you, but I personally, it just fits so well with me, and I can work online whenever I want, wherever I want. There's no targets involved, and you just need to concentrate on driving traffic. And once everything's set up as well, I'll put some funnels links on there as well, so you can have a look at some funnels that we do. And once everything's set up, takes about half an hour to set things up, then that's it. It's all automated in the background for you. So yeah. All right then, guys. So yeah, if you want to subscribe to my channel, I will be doing some more training videos, and I will be updating my channel with my progress and how we're getting on. Builderall is absolutely exploding at the moment. They're just growing so much. So yeah, jump on board now before it becomes a household name. So all right then, guys, this is Charlie from cashbaby.uk. You can view the tools there. If you want to join in our challenge, I'll leave that a secret, but if you want to join a challenge, you can visit cashbaby.co.uk. All right. Okay then, and any questions, just ask me. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.